To choose a microphone for recording in OBS, we'll have to create a scene and we'll call it test. So you won't have any sources by default, so you'll have to add on audio input capture source, and just gonna leave it as this. And right here you'll have an option to choose any device you want, but by default OBS will pick up the same microphone that you have set up on your computer settings. So you can go this way, or you can just always make sure that in your sound settings on your computer that you have the correct microphone set up. So in my case it's this one, and if I open up OBS, then every time I open it, it will use that default microphone for recording audio.